Okay, what I'm going to demonstrate for you now is how to deploy a Cimitra agent. So I'm going to just first orient you here. I'm sitting here on a Windows 10 box, and I'm going to deploy a Cimitra agent to this box. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log into my Cimitra system, and I'm going to click on agents, and I want to add an agent. My computer is just called TayPC, so that's what I'll call the agent. I could call it whatever I wanted, but anyways, I'm going to go here, indicate that the platform is Windows, and I'm going to go ahead and hit create. Okay, and then after I've created that, I can go here and I can type in there's my agent. And so here's my agent that's been created, and I now have these two new dialogues or options. I'm going to go ahead and download the agent binary, CimAgent.exe, and this config file. All right. Now these have been downloaded to my downloads directory. Okay, well, let's not do that. I'm going to just go here, and so I'm going to go to C:\downloads. Okay, there we go. And you see the file that I just downloaded here, the CimAgent.exe and the Cimitra.cfg. Now, I could just keep them in this directory, but it's better if I copy them to some place, kind of a standardized place. So I'm going to copy CimAgent, or I'm going to actually just copy asterisk to C:\Cimitra. Okay, I already created a directory called Cimitra. So I'm going to go to CD Cimitra, there we go. All right, and I've got these files, but I've got this ls Cimitra CFG and then CimAgent.exe, right? Those are the two files that I just copied in. All right, now what I need to do is I need to take and run an install routine. So the CimAgent.exe is kind of cool because not only is it the actual binary for the agent, but it also has an install routine. All right, so here we go. If I just run it, that's not really going to do anything for me. I need to indicate to it to run an install routine. So I'm going to the documentation here, and you can see that I'm going to take that command and I'm going to throw that into, here we go. Let's just move this up here. Okay, I'm going to throw that into my console command and press enter. And the Cimitra agent has just successfully installed. And so now I can do a start service Cimitra. And I need to spell it right. There we go. All right. So let's do a get service Cimitra. All right. And so now we have this agent service running. So that's as difficult as it is to create a Cimitra agent. Now, just there is a CLI install for the Cimitra agent on Windows. There's also a CLI install for the Cimitra agent on Linux and Mac and whatever it be. But I did the kind of the most manual way of doing it because the PowerShell version requires that you have PowerShell version 5 or greater. And so if you've got like a Windows Server 2016 box, you're not going to have that new of a PowerShell possibly. And so this is a way of just manually downloading and installing a Cimitra agent. But that's as difficult as it is.